everyone, this is Andrew from Moscow, and today is another fixing video. This time it is Future Models / Arstorm Double Spazer from the Grendizer set. This is a very expensive, highly rated figure. I was likely to get it, but I have to make some restoration process and some fixing. Okay, the problem is that this wing came off. This pack is broken, and likely it stays in this place. The pack is very small, so it will be just drilling with a pin. Okay, and glue. And also the spacer has this little piece. This is a movable pack. Okay, and it was broken. It was in the Grendizer, so I've already made this hole, and there was a screw, and I managed to get it out from Grendizer. Now I have to make a drilling process and a hole in this area, and connect these pieces on a screw, so it could move again, and the Double Spazer becomes the Grendizer's backpack. Okay, that's the main idea, so let's move on. So this element is very small, and unfortunately this is a movable element, so we can't go through this part, as it won't move anymore. So I'll try to make the hole like this and like this. Then we'll insert the pin here and here and make these pins out of here to connect with this element. Okay, let's try to drill. Let's try to drill. Okay, one hole is ready. Another one. Okay, that's it. Okay, this hole is alright. This is a suitable pin, as you can see. And this one came through the hole. Okay, so I'll make it for this distance when I'll put it on another part of this piece. Okay, now let's drill the second piece. Okay, this piece already has some sort of hole from another operation, so I'll just make it deeper. That's it. Okay, let's have a test. Does it fit all right? Okay, that's it. Also, I'll use another sort of drill, a smaller one, to make the pin go into the hole very firmly. Okay, let's make second hole. Okay, let's have a test. Okay, it fits pretty fine. Okay, now I'll cut this pin, use a glue, and put the pieces together. Okay, here's glue, here's pin. Okay, now put it. You also may put some glue here. The pin will also move the glue inside this piece. Okay, one. Let's cut it. And the second one. The same exact operation. Okay, now we're done. Let's cut our pins at the right size. This should be pretty short. Okay, and this is a little bit longer. Okay, that's it. So that it could pass through these two holes on the other piece. Okay, here it comes. Nice. Okay, I'll add some glue and put it together too. I hate glue, but it is often needed. Always sticky fingers. Okay, something like this. Sticky fingers and gloves. Okay, I make some correction, not on camera, and return. Also, as you can see, after the crack some material is missing, so I use superplastic to restore some material. Okay, a couple of seconds, sorry, and plastic will be ready. So I get the plastic, now it is ready for work, and just close these cracks, material cracks and missings with this stuff. Okay. 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 Now let's put it into the fridge. Okay, now the piece is ready. Pretty firm connection. Definitely it will hold the weight of a double spazer element. You can paint it if you want. Okay, now let's drill another piece. Okay, for this small pack I'll use brown variant of the drill. It is a little smaller. Okay, let's continue our journey. Let's turn on the drill. Okay, here's the hole. Now the main objective is to get this pin pack out. So I'll pour some glue on the pin and then put it inside the hole and wait when it will be dried, and try to get the pack out. Let's add some glue on the pin. Okay, and then insert it inside the pack, broken pack. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's time to remove the pack. Oh, alright, it came out. So now I'll cut this piece and make a hole on this part. After this we'll connect them. Okay, let's drill the hole on this piece. That's it. Okay, I made measurements and now let's cut the pack this pin in size, something like this. Okay, let's try to attach it to the broken piece. Okay, it used to be a little bit longer. Let's cut one more. Okay. Pretty close. Alright, that's the size. Now I'll add some glue and return. The glue is added. Okay, let's do it once again. Okay. Now put this. Okay, now let's reassemble our spazer. Okay. This is like a landing gear, it should collapse. Now let's put this piece together. Something's going wrong, something's going right. Okay, that's it. And let's put the screw in this screw hole. The most easy part. Okay, let's test our wings. Okay, here's the mended piece. Pretty nice. Okay. Never put pegs like this on this premium stuff too deep, because it definitely will break. Okay, it fits okay. So this is a double spacer from Ex Gokin line by Future/Arstorm Toys.